All right, 2009 Chevy Express, 3500, and I got a leak from a water pump. So I've been searching. At first, I thought it was, y'all probably can't see down here, but it's a hose down in this area, the lower hose, should I say? That was I thought the clamp wasn't as tight, so it was leaking. Fixed that. Uh, Went through some, other, checking to see where this leak coming from, and I couldn't figure it out. So I dug a little deeper, and behold, it was coming from out the water pump. So I'm like, okay, I could change the water pump and, solve that issue. But I wanted to give this guy a try. Wanted to see if this could work. So I'm gonna put this cardboard underneath here. Let me get up, because it's leaking about right here. So let's set that about right there. It's raining out here today too, but you'll really see these drips once I pour this antifreeze in, because it wasn't as bad at first, but it got worse over time. So let me see if I pour the antifreeze in here. See what happens. See if we can get this drip to go. See if we can get this thing to drip down here. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if we can get some action. No action yet. Let's add some more. Let's add some more to this and see what happens. Because this thing is dripping. And sometimes it won't start right away. Maybe because it dripped all out, so it's been sitting for like 2 days. So I ain't gonna put a lot in there, because I want to kind of leave room for this case seal to work. No drips yet. Nothing popping off. So let me start it up. See what we get. Because they say you can add this. So I'm doing this on the fly. Nothing special. None of that. See if you guys can catch it when I catch it. I ain't trying to do nothing special, just trying to see what's going on. But get under here. Shake this up. I would have shook it up, but if it's shaking for 30 seconds, pour it in there. Let's shake this bad baby up real good. It's kind of cold out here, so my hands getting cold. But let's see if this stuff works, man. Because, like I said, I put antifreeze in this thing at least once every 2 days. I gotta put something in it. So it's starting to get a little worse. So I want to kind of catch it before it gets really bad. If this don't work, I'll just change out the water pump. But I'll give it a try. $15. What I gotta lose? Hopefully it don't clog up nothing else. So just shaking this pretty good right now. Get this all shaken up so you guys can see this on the fly. See if I get any more drips under here. This thing dripping. And my cardboard that flew out the way. It's kind of windy today. But I don't have no drips right now. Oh, there's one. One drop. Let me go put this cardboard. Slide it back under here. Shaking up real good. And I'm gonna fill it up with antifreeze. Pour this in here right. Mix up. Right. Antifreeze in here. I don't want to close up on any of this other stuff. You can see that it was low. Like I'm still pouring. Let's see if we get some more drips down here. There we go. Coming. Coming more and more. Like I said, it's probably pretty much empty. So once I get it driving, it kind of gets worse over the period of time. Let's see. Let's pour this in here. Some antifreeze. I'm going to put this down a little bit. cap on here. Let this run for a few. Well, I'll get back with you guys on the short and let you know what happened. So now y'all got a better look at the drip. See the drip. Dripping. It's dripping. See it? It's dripping. So we're gonna see if this stuff works. Might have to take it for a drive. I don't know. We'll see. That's a serious drip right there. I had to add some more. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take it for a drive though. And I'll get back with you guys. Look at here. Been about 3 minutes and the drip has stopped. Well, what do you know? And you see some of this other stuff just because it's been raining. So you see a little drip. But this is where my drip mainly coming from. There's no tile right here with this little hole with this little leak at. All this other stuff is just rain from under the vehicle and just wet out here. So y'all seen that steady stream of a drip that was right there. It had stopped. So I'm about to go take this on a test drive. I'm about to move my truck out the way. See what it do. Hey, maybe this stuff really works. About to move F-150. You know, little baby there. So we're gonna see what happens with this, with my Chevy Express. See if this stuff really is what it claims to be. Because if I don't gotta change this water pump, this is gonna be great. And thank you, K-Seal, for this amazing product. All right, so let's get this a test drive. Let me see if it's leaking. I'm gonna do this on the no drips. And when I say this will be just dripping away, park, not running, didn't matter. It was dripping bad. I took it for a drive. Probably went about probably about 15 miles or so. No dripping. As you can see, I moved the truck. This is in the back, so I guess that K-Seal worked. We'll see how long this holds up. I'll give y'all an update in my description after a couple of days, so we'll see what goes on. But for the most part, I think we got a winner. And thanks to K-Seal.